Hello, everybody, and welcome to Health Transformers LLC. I'm Becky Longacre. I'm your nurse gone personal coach. I help people with a few things. One is sustainable, happy, healthy weight loss based on my 18 years working as a nurse, dealing with patients and their families, educating people about health and well-being using a mind, body, soul approach. Also, I use my own personal experience losing weight to sort of empathize with you in terms of the challenge that you need to go through in order to get success. I also help people with personal development, which includes helping other healthcare providers launch their own business. And again, I use my master's degree in health leadership to help you with that, and also my personal story, my personal development story to help you go through the challenges that you need in terms of achieving your goals that way. So I'm going to tell you in a short as time possible what my story is. I am 42 at the time of this recording. In my 20s, I used to be very sick. I used to flare with ulcerative colitis, have chronic back pain. I used to be overweight to the point where I was almost obese and had high anxiety. I, in my 20s, started to turn things around in terms of my health and well-being. I started to take care of myself a lot more and learn about lifestyle changes that can dramatically impact your health and well-being. I started to improve a whole lot to where my anxiety was becoming a lot more manageable. I was flare-free from ulcerative colitis for 7 years. And, I hadn't gained a whole lot of weight. And then the pandemic happened. Something called the coronavirus came to visit us, and I was working as a nurse during that time. My perception of that was that I did not feel or did not perceive that I had time for self-care. And that perception of not having the time of self-care meant that I let go of a whole lot of self-care practices. So guess what happened? I got sick again with ulcerative colitis. I gained weight, my anxiety was out of control, and I had chronic back pain all day, every day. The only variable with me getting sick was my lack of self-care. So that really proved to me that what I had been doing for 15 years before that was really effective. And so during the pandemic, I made it a point to put self-care back on the priority list. And so I did. I got off all of my medications again. So when I was in my 20s, I was on 5 different medications. During the pandemic, I went back on medications because I got sick. I got off all of my medications again after the pandemic, made self-care a priority, went back into remission with ulcerative colitis, lost over 30 pounds, managed anxiety without medications, and healed back pain. What I will teach you is not rocket science. It is not a magic pill, but it is profound what I teach you. And so that's what I offer with my health coaching program is I offer specifically weight loss to people that want healthy and sustainable weight loss. The other side of that is the other side of my business is personal development, where I can help you manage your anxiety, set and maintain boundaries so that you are the master of your life. Do you feel like you are run by your schedule or you run your schedule? Do you feel like you are the master of your money or you are killing yourself in order to make your money? I will help you shift your priorities so that you live as an empowered person so that you're the master of your life. And this naturally has developed into me helping other healthcare professionals launch their own business. If I could summarize one thing that I offer you, it is empowerment. So if that has intrigued you, click one of the links below so that we can connect and have a free complimentary consultation call. I'll see you there.